Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie with your Ninja blender. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on a mix of fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables. Remember to add enough liquid, such as water, milk, or juice, to ensure smooth blending. Always use the appropriate Ninja cup and blade for your specific model to achieve the best consistency and prevent damage. Let's get started. When selecting ingredients, aim for a balanced mix of fruits, vegetables, and optional protein sources like yogurt or protein powder. For optimal blending, cut any larger items into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. This helps your Ninja blender process everything efficiently. Be sure to measure your liquids and any powders accurately to achieve a consistent and delicious texture every time. Preparation is key. For perfect blending, always layer your ingredients correctly. Start with liquids and softer items at the bottom, then add your harder fruits and vegetables on top. Utilize the pulse function initially to break down any larger or harder ingredients before continuous blending. Continue blending until your smoothie is completely smooth, adding a little more liquid if needed to reach your desired consistency. Enjoy the process. Now for the fun part, customization. Feel free to experiment with various flavors and add-ins, such as chia seeds, flax seeds, or a dash of cinnamon to make your smoothie uniquely yours. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain freshness. For more amazing recipes and blending tips, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link in the description below, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Ninja smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.